Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss 5 tips to make your dog stop barking at everything. If you're tired of your furry friend barking at every little thing, then keep watching because we've got some solutions for you. Tip 1. Understand the reason for the barking. Before you can address the barking, it's important to understand why your dog is doing it. Is it because they're anxious, scared, or trying to protect their territory? Once you understand the reason, you can address it accordingly. Tip 2. Provide exercise and mental stimulation. Dogs that have pent-up energy and boredom are more likely to bark excessively. Make sure your dog gets plenty of exercise and mental stimulation to keep them occupied. Tip 3. Use positive reinforcement. When your dog is not barking, reward them with treats and praise. This will help teach them that not barking is the desired behavior. Tip 4. Use a bark collar. If your dog's barking is excessive and you've tried other methods without success, a bark collar may be a good option. These collars emit a sound or vibration when the dog barks, which helps to train them to stop barking. Tip 5. Seek professional help. If your dog's barking is severe and you're unable to address it on your own, seek help from a professional trainer or behaviorist. They can help you identify the root cause of the barking and develop a customized training plan. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's important to address excessive barking early on before it becomes a habit. With these tips, you can help your furry friends stop barking at everything and live a more peaceful life together. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.